In our previous videos, we took our first tentative steps into the world of scent. We tried to recreate well-known fragrances using only natural essential oils. It was a great training exercise. We learned to sense structure, find balance, and understand how components interact with each other. Yes, our results weren't always an exact copy of the original, and now I'll explain why. But this experience was essential for learning to hear the oils and preparing ourselves to move into the big leagues, professional perfumery. Why is it impossible to create a luxury niche perfume using only oils? It all comes down to chemistry. Essential oils are natural chaos. A single rose oil can contain hundreds of components that make the scent heavy, muddy, and unpredictable. They lack volatility, and they don't have that distinctive projection that fills a room. Professional perfume is architecture. Oils give it character and body, but synthetic molecules create the structure, volume, and air. It's synthetics that transform a mix of fragrant liquids into a luxurious, clean, and long-lasting scent. Today, I'll introduce you to the golden minimum, 5 molecules that will change your creative process forever. ISO-E Super, the foundation of foundations. It has a very subtle scent, cedar and leather, but its main role is the presence effect. It expands the fragrance, making it more dimensional and alive. Hedione, our main source of light. It doesn't smell like a specific flower. It creates a feeling of morning freshness and transparency. Without it, a perfume feels heavy and oppressive. Ambrosin, the symbol of luxury. It provides that expensive, salty, skin-like base that lasts on the skin for days. It's a magnet for compliments. Ethylene brassylate, the softest of musks. Its role is that of a peacemaker. It binds sharp top notes and a heavy base into one smooth, silky composition. Galaxolide, a molecule of impeccable cleanliness. It gives a perfume the polish of the good life, softens the rough edges of oils, and creates a sense of comfort. By mastering these tools, we stop being amateurs and become creators. In the next video, we'll move to practice. We'll take this minimal set and begin reconstructing legendary niche perfumes. We'll prove that even with a limited number of ingredients, you can create a perfume that smells luxurious, clean, and as close as possible to the original. Get your scales and materials ready. We're about to begin real magic. See you in the next